y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and do a hair video for the Ulta hair sale that's going on. I'm so late to this party, but I had a request to do this, so even though we're like a week in, it started on May 13th. This is going to go up on the 23rd. We'll just jump into the middle of it and I'll tell you what I'm going to get because I really hadn't even looked at it. And now I have, and I will be getting some things. This is a good sale that I really hadn't thought about. I will let y'all know my hair type is a little bit coarse and frizzy, has a lot of natural wave to it, but I'm not trying to tame that down. I'm always looking for volume. I'm not looking for things to slick it and shine it and weigh it down. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Today, on the 23rd, when this goes out, Sebastian. The Sebastian Shaper Plus, it's in here somewhere. It's one of my Holy Grail hair products. I will be getting some cans of that. It's pretty stiff. I use that as a final spray in my hairspray arsenal. They also have a Nioxin all system kits for 50% off. I might get a shampoo or conditioner if they have that because the Neutral Ox shampoo and conditioner dries me out. So I may start using the Nioxin shampoo and conditioner and then just the serum, use the Neutral Ox from Sally's, if that makes sense. Then on the 24th, they have Weedad. I think that's how you say it, Weedad. I don't know anything about Weedad, but if you like Weedad, they have that. They also have a flat iron from Hot Tools, black and gold. Looks very nice. Mine is pretty new. I won't be getting that. On the 25th, they have the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I may try that again. It's not very expensive, full price, I don't think. I think it's pretty reasonable. For those days when I don't want to wash it and it's stiff, take some of the stiffness out. But I'm liking the xoxoxo. The coconut is lovely. So maybe, maybe not. A blow dryer by Resk is 50% off that day. Then on the 26th, the Kenra Platinum Styling. Okay, I will tell y'all, I have tried a lot of the Kenra Platinum. I tried the thickening spray. I didn't feel like it did anything. And I tried the hairspray. It wasn't blown away, but I kind of would like a hair mask. I may see if they have a hair mask because I'm wanting something that makes my hair healthy without flattening it. So if you know some good Kenra products you love, let me know. I'm open to the Kenra. I know it's a good brand. I just haven't found, my Kenra passion yet. On the 27th, they have Chi products. I have a Chi heat protectant. I never use those. I don't trust them. I'm like, is that really protecting my hair? But I should. So let me know if you have a favorite Chi product. Their flat irons are 50% off. That is a good deal. I like my Crocs, so I'm not getting a flat iron. On the 28th, they have Fido. It looks like maybe vitamins, and I have never used Fido, but they have that. And they also have Wella. I don't know that I've ever used Wella, and Wella's a classic. Okay, the 29th. I bet a lot of y'all will like this. It's a 10, but the defrizz, not the one in the blue. It's the one in the brown. I don't know that I would use an actual defrizzing product because I don't want to flatten it. But if you know anything about that product, let me know down below. The 30th, Mizani Miracle Milk. I don't know anything about that. Macadamia Professional Oils. Now, I'm kind of thinking about jumping into some oils. I have an xoxoxo oil that is for volume. It doesn't weigh it down. I've tried one oil besides the xoxoxo, and that was by Monat. It is lovely, but it's $80. But you can put it in your hair, and it does not weigh it down. So I want to try some less expensive oils, see if I can find something to defrizz it, make it healthier, but not weigh it down. And I just started trying an xoxoxo. I'll keep y'all updated on that. But this Macadamia Professional Oil, I may look into that. On the 31st, they have DevaCurl. This is DevaCurl Archangel. The only thing DevaCurl I've ever tried is a volumizing mousse. I was not that impressed with it, but I would be open to trying some DevaCurl. They also have a GHD Gold Professional Styling Iron. It looks like a flat iron. Okay, June 1st. That's my day. The Big Sexy, and I'll let y'all know here in a minute what I'm going to get, but the Big Sexy, the Root Pump Plus, the Powder Play, those are my favorites. And then my sister-in-law loves their hairspray to get volume in her fine hair. They also have a beautiful Conair Rose Gold hair dryer. I like a Conair hair dryer, but I don't really need one. June 2nd, Redken. Let me know if there's anything Redken I need to pick up. I don't believe I have anything Redken. And an InStyler Cerasilk Flat Iron. Those are the things they have. For a hot buy for men, I may pick up a couple of J. Crew, American Crew, because my son wears his hair, that front part up. So I'll probably get one of those for him. And that's all of the, on the calendar. That's all of those. Okay, buy two, get one free. Tons of brands. Redken, Lanza, Sexy Hair, Rusk, BioSilk, Joico, AG Hair, TG, Wella, Chi, ABBA, Sebastian, and many more are buy two, get one free. The Biolage is 2 for $24. You know what? They have in a tub like a hair, a deep conditioning. I may pick that up. I liked that. I can't remember the name of it. Nioxin, 2 for $24. I probably will get the shampoo and conditioner because, again, that doesn't dry me out and the Neutrox does. But I'll stay on the Neutrox serum. I think that's better. Big Sexy has 2 for $20 shampoo and conditioner. I've never tried that. That might be good. Yeah, y'all let me know your favorite shampoos that I need. Okay, Kenra, they have some dry oils. I might try a Kenra dry oil. Those look lovely. Oh, something that did look real nice. A Chi travel set. This is so cute. A couple of hair clips, a little hair dryer, and a flat iron. I take about 2 trips a year. But this looks so cute. I may pick that up for a Christmas gift or for myself, for my 2 trips. Then they have hairbrushes on sale. I'm in dire need of some hairbrushes. And then this isn't hair, but it's in the same catalog. They have the Gimme Brow, which I love. I love the essence just as much, though. But if you like the Gimme Brow, they have a little gift with purchase of a Hoola matte bronzer. And it's tiny, but those last forever. I'm using one of those up, and it's taking forever. And I love it, but yeah. This is supposed to be a hair video, but same catalog. Okay, I'm going to tell y'all what I'm picking up. Buy two, get one free. And I went through and looked, and I think these are all included. OGX, I've gone OGX crazy. This is inexpensive anyway, and it's on sale. I'm trying right now this Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Conditioner in the shampoo. I'm really loving this. This is day 3, I think, with this hair. It still feels like hair. I'm just really enjoying it. I also picked up this oil. I love it. It doesn't seem to be weighing my hair on first impression on this, but I really like it. It was inexpensive. But the OGX stuff is on sale. The Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. This does not make it too slick, but it's not a texturizing spray. It just makes me able to go a day longer and able to style my hair. I really like this. I probably will get more backups of that. The Got To Be. There are several things that I want to try from this line. I'm going to pick up some backups of the mousse. I'll probably get this for about $5 right now. I'm also going to pick up the spiking glue for my son for his hair. Then I'm going to try their Powderful Volumizing Styling Powder. I've tried several brands. It's like the Powder Play. $4.99. If I can fall in love with that, I will, and I bet I do. And then the Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Now, I don't like my hair to be that stiff, but there are times that I need to hold just right here on the very ends. This West Texas Wind, it got a lot of stars. That got real good reviews. Well, a lot of stars on Ulta. I'll pick up several backups of the Freeze and Shine. This is my go-to daily. This is what I use, pretty much just for daily running around because it's stiff. To me, it's not as stiff as the Sebastian Shaper Plus, which I also will pick up because I always use this daily. I use this several times a day. The Freeze and Shine, the Shaper Plus at least once a day. And I just like it. That aerosol can. You just can't beat it. Also, the TG Superstar Queen for a Day. I love this when my hair feels too slick. It really gives it a lift. I'm loving the Bamboo Fiberful by OGX. Going back to OGX, this hairspray doesn't make it feel stiff to me. To me, this feels like between a texturizing dry shampoo spray and hairspray. And it does make it feel thicker to me. I'll probably get about, depending on the price, 3 or 4 of the Powder Play Lights. Nothing adds volume like the Powder Play Light or the Powder Play, but I like this because it has a spray instead of the shaker. So I just spray it on my roots and, activate that. And then when it starts going flat, you just run your fingers back through it. It reactivates it. I always have this on hand. I'll also, I don't know if I'll get any backups of the Root Pump Plus because I have about 4 of these or 5. And I don't use this every single time, so I probably won't repurchase it, but if I didn't have backups, I would be getting backups of that. I also may get their hairspray. Okay, I want you to look at this. This is about literally 15 to 20 years old. I'm gonna get me a new brush. And they're very inexpensive, and I'll probably pick up 4 or 5 paddle brushes for my daughter and for myself. My son, I will get me some new brushes. And I think that's everything I'm picking up in my Ulta hair haul for the sale. And thank you to my subscriber that asked me to do this video, because I am going to pick up some stuff that I didn't realize I really needed. If you know something good I need to try, put that down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.